This ocean view lot is located on the Sea Ranch, a world-famous community on the northern Sonoma coastline of California, located less than 3 hours from the San Francisco Bay Area. The lot is situated in a quiet neighborhood and is one of the few lots undeveloped in the area. A 3-bedroom home could be constructed on this site and will pick up dramatic whitewater and potential coastline views. Views to the east are of tree-covered hills. One of the biggest attractions at the Sea Ranch is access to 10 miles of coastline. The meadow homes are only steps from many wonderful beaches. Beachcombing, fishing, abalone diving, or just watching the waves become a major pastime. Miles of developed trails interlace the Sea Ranch, including a bluff trail that runs the entire 10-mile coastline. The distinctive ram's horn sign at the Sea Ranch Lodge greets visitors to the coast. The many amenities of the Sea Ranch include an 18-hole golf course, a Scottish links style, and wildlife are frequent visitors. Owners at the Sea Ranch can fly their own planes into an airport. The old white barn is from the original ranch and has been restored for theatrical productions. The other amenities on the Sea Ranch are pools, tennis courts, and a large equestrian facility. Old barns grace parts of the Sea Ranch, and sheep can even be seen today grazing and keeping meadow grasses down. Miles of dramatic coastline, views from grassy meadow sites are just a few of the wonderful things waiting for you at the Sea Ranch.